Hi, my dear students, friends. I am Mr. M. Maniandan, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce CS, Ayanada Animal College, Sivagasi. I am one of your course teacher in the subject of Accounting Automation, third semester, W3C07. I am very happy to meet you through this video lesson. In this video lesson, we see about the topic inventory maintenance of accounting automation tally. First, we see about inventory. In general concept, inventory is categorized as raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods, etc. In this process, raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods are categorized in the point of view of manufacturer point of view. In retailers, refers to his inventory as merchandise. Merchandise include electronics, cloth, and cars held by retailers. That means product for merchandise the trader's point of view. Next, we see about inventory classification. Inventory classification refers to the grouping of inventory for ease of identification, accessibility, and differentiation by the nature of the stock, value, durability, price, quantity, quality, etc. For example, classify as raw materials, work in progress, and finished products. Similarly, classified by the brand, nature, size, color, quality, quantity, price, etc. For example, inventory classification, manufacturing point of view, raw materials, work in progress, finished goods. In retailer's point of view, I give some example about bookshop. Product wise, educational books, drawing books, children's books, competitive exam books, languages books, spiritual related books. In otherwise, brand wise, I take the example of bookshop, so I categorize publication wise. In other example, product wise, mobile phone, laptop, I choose the category of brand wise. In these books of example, I choose publication wise. So I give some publications limited. Taxman Publications, Publishing India Group, Vigadan Publication, S. Chand Publishing, Morgan Publication, Fingerprint Publishing. Next, we see about the tutorial for inventory maintenance in Tally. Already we see about introduction about Tally, screen components of Tally, how to create company, and how to create ledgers, how to create accounting groups, how to enter accounting vouchers, all about basics of financial transaction. In this video, we see about tutorial for inventory maintenance in Tally. The inventory maintenance in Tally is very useful for small businesses. For example, bookshop, grocery shop, retailers, sellers, manufacturers also is easy to enter their products, raw materials in the manufacturing process for further outgoing process. So we see about how to maintenance inventory, how to classify category the stock, and how to enter the stock items. Next, we see about the tutorial. In this lesson, we see about how to maintaining stock items in Tally. First, I create company. For example, Commerce Bookshop. So enter Commerce Bookshop company name. So fill the all the necessary details. I select accounts with inventory. You press enter, or otherwise press Ctrl plus A for save this page. In Tally, all the ledgers, vouchers you want to save immediately, press Ctrl plus A. First, I select the option accounting features, community features, inventory features. Select inventory features. I choose option maintain multiple goodowns. Press Y to enter. Automatically change yes. And next select maintain stock category. Press yes. Y is enter. Enter or otherwise Ctrl plus A. Next I click inventory info. Gateway of Tally inventory info. First I create stock groups. Stock group means single stock group. I create stock group mean overall heading of the product. For example, I create books. Press enter. Next CDs. CD educational CDs content. So press CDs. Next I create stock category. It's another classification. Stock category I create arts. So arts related book, arts category. Next I create science. So next I create kids related books. So I create kids. So I create 3 stock category. Next I create unit of measures. So product how to measures. For example, NOS mean numbers, formal name numbers, decimal places 2. I give fraction numbers to 2 decimal places. Otherwise PIC short form name. First I enter simple short form name PIC. Next enter full form name pieces. So formal decimal places 2. Next I enter godown. So godown. In this bookshop I create rack wise. For example, product in arranged in the shop rack or wise category wise. For example, grocery shop we give some rack for specific product. In bookshop also, for example, store I give location store. So clear primary. Next I create rack 1. So next I create rack 2. So press escape. Next finally I create stock items. So enter stock item, single stock item creation. First I enter book name. For example, I enter competitive examination UPSC books. So I select books, but I did not create stock category competitive examination books. So at the time you want to create, press Alt plus C. So directly it link to the any subgroup creation. For example, directly link to the stock category creation. We need not back to again create stock category. Not necessary. Press just Alt plus C, shortcut key. Now I create competitive examination books, competitive exam books. So press enter, just enter. So automatically cited number of books. You enter opening balance for it need not compulsory, or otherwise you enter in the inventory voucher. Now I enter opening balance 100 books, read per books. So at the time you want to enter the list of goodowns to select the already default location, main location. For example, I select store 100 books quantity Rate per books 150. Next I enter drawing books. Drawing. So category books for kids. Now invoice numbers 100. Same 100. Location store. Price 50. Sorry. Store quantity 100. Price 50. Next I enter zoology book. Zoology books, science, numbers 100 books, store 400. So I enter some items. You want to view display individually or otherwise. Any changes you want, alter. I want to change drawing books for kids. I altered some changes. Press enter. Automatically changed. So you want to finally display, go to stock summary, enter, press Alt F1 for detail, again Alt F1, merged, or otherwise display inventory books, individually stock items, group summary, or otherwise statement of inventory, goods stock category wise. For some godown wise I give only store location. So I enter store location, press enter, Alt F1 detail. So be easy to enter easy to maintain the stock category. Stock group is overall heading, stock category wise, and another subgroup of stock groups store is called stock categories. Next we enter into measures. If needed to create goods, first we enter activities option, combine features F11 shortcut key, select inventory features, press S to multiple goods, maintain multiple goods and maintain stock categories. It is a basic of inventory maintenance. Thank you students. Thank you so much.